Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you the recent update on Instagram and how the algorithm actually targets different type of content and description on the posts. Let's jump right into the topics. Just look at my feed over here, okay? This is my feed, my followers, everything is windsurfing, water sports, activity. If I go on the actual random FYP for you page, everything as you can see is as usual. Sports, right? And models, of course. Let me show you something that you probably haven't seen. Let's go over here and let's look for sponsored posts. So this sponsored post over here is popping in between. Let's jump into the meta data of the post. So they don't have any hashtags. They do not have any hashtags. They do not have any metadata description for search engine optimization. You might be thinking, but they're running an ad. Nothing should stop them to include hashtags. Well, guess what? Even though they're running a special commercial, if you go on their original account, right, and if you look at the regular post, they don't get this attention. 39 likes on the post that was published recently, okay, and they have bunch of hashtags. Nothing is moving, just 4 days ago. Compare this post with post that doesn't have the actual hashtags. How about this post over here? Same thing, guys. Just look at this. So 4 days ago, they include like a 20 plus hashtags, almost, not even 40 likes. And the post prior just has, a little longer description with 0 hashtags, has 142 likes. Do you understand what kind of difference we're talking about? Everything is in relation with the recent update. So the rumor has it on the street that the Instagram update algorithm doesn't actually identify the best content that has a lot of or some hashtags. Some hashtags or a lot of hashtags are simply kind of recognized as a tool that automated services or bots are using. So this is where the natural organic growth is coming into play. And if you don't trust me, let's scroll down and take a look, right? This is another post over here, bunch of hashtags. Again, 40 likes. It's 40 likes prison. There is a quote on TikTok, people who are locked in 200 views. Every video is 200 views. 200 views prison. You see how many hashtags they include? Well, if you look at this post over here, right, just a couple of days prior, 138 likes, 0 hashtags. So the moral lesson of the story over here, guys, is that if you really want to grow in 2024, if you want to make a difference, this is your main objective. You got to learn how to utilize no hashtag posting with better description, okay? Make your description better, make your posting better, and then everything will come into place. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to grow your Instagram account using Reels. Very easy, very fast, guys. Let's jump right into Instagram and let me show you things that you probably haven't seen, okay? The main scoop over here is that you wanna go with the vibe. You don't wanna go against the vibe. Let's say, for example, I'm inspired to become a surfer like this guy over here, right? So I wanna become part of the community, first of all, indirectly, right? I cannot meet these people. I cannot recreate this video, right? But I can be part of the community. So essentially, you want to scroll down to the comment section and you want to go over posts that have a lot of comments or a lot of engagement. So how are you going to do that? You want to click on the comments, and here you can essentially start commenting similar comments as other people. But you want to add your own personal view, something that will challenge other person to reply to you. If you just say nice video, no one will reply to you. You need to put a statement out there, right? Or you need to ask a question. Questions are actually always the safe way to approach someone, or to essentially, put your name or account on the table. Growing inside the comment section is the most unutilized function. A lot of people paying for ads, a lot of people reposting, putting 30 different hashtags, include like 17 paragraphs inside the description, and it's still not growing. Simply because the algorithm has changed big time. In my previous videos, if you go to my channel, you will see that a lot of these people who have a very successful post, they don't even include hashtags. As a matter of fact, if you look at this is a sponsored post, right? So the goal of person who paid for the ad on Instagram is to reach as many people as possible. But guess what? Even they don't include any hashtags. Just look at over here. There is no single hashtag. Sponsored post, they're selling probably clothes or whatever, or selling vibe. And look at it. There's no single hashtag. Same thing over here. You see over 1,400 different people saw this video. 14 comments. The description of the video, yeah, they have to include some hashtags because there are different brands over here. I see there are brands and he actually tagged the brand, so probably he is into some partnership or something. But essentially, if you look at over here, right, we're looking for a fashion magazines. You see over here? So this is a cultural magazine, okay? They do not have any hashtags. Just look at this. 648 likes. Probably the page has indeed over 300,000 followers. So probably they know think or two about the Instagram growth more than me and you, right? So my suggestion over here, guys, is to utilize the comment section. There's very few people know about this. Just pick your niche. Are you into fashion? Are you into photography? Are you into e-commerce? Just go find the most, viral or popular post. Find the posts that have a lot of comments, right? You don't want to go on post that has 1 million views, but had like 5 comments. You want to go on posts that have like 50, 60, 100K reached, right? And you have like 500 comments. That's like the best. You can spend so much time commenting. And guess what? When you comment, people are interested to see who they're talking to, right? No one just replies to no one, right? They're going to reply, they're going to see who you are, and they're most likely going to follow you. And who knows where the whole collaboration might end up. This is how you grow organically on Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and of course follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Instagram Reels videos for free. Very easy, guys, very simple, just a couple of clicks. Let's launch the Instagram app and find a video that we want to download. For example, let's say we want to download, maybe not this video. Let's say we want to download this video over here, okay? Click on the 3 dots on the top right corner of the video. Then you want to click on the link button, which is situated on the upper right, the second button. We just copy the link on our clipboard. Now let's move to the easier step, which is number 2. Go ahead on Google Chrome and look for this app over here. It's called Publer.io. You want to click on this. When you're at Publer.io, I want you to paste the link and click download. This is how simple it is. Why this app is preferable? Well, as you can see over here, no ads, no watermarks, no registration. You have 2 options after the video is downloaded over here. You can either download it or you can simply post it. I haven't used the post function. You can simply download it and then go ahead and do whatever you'd like with the video, okay? This is how simple it is to download Instagram Reels for free. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can download Instagram Reels for free. Very easy with just a couple of clicks, okay? Let's launch the Instagram app and let's try to find a reel that we want to download. Let's say we want to download this reel over here with the lady, okay? All we gotta do is to click on the 3 dots on the upper right on top of the video, and then you want to click on the link button, okay? We just copy the link from this video on our clipboard. The second step is even easier. I want you to go on Google Chrome and find this website over here. It's called Publer.io, okay? When you click on the website, all you gotta do is simply to paste the link that we just copied, click download, wait a couple of seconds, and boom! The video will appear over here. The app has no ads, no watermarks, and no registration required. All you gotta do is to click download and you have the video already in your account. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find out what is the best time to post on Instagram. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then guys, very important, when you're at your landing page on your account, you want to click on professional dashboard. Over here you will find a lot of information that you could simply use when publishing, how publishing, and what actually works and what doesn't on the platform. This is where you want to click first. You want to click on total followers, and then you want to scroll down to the actual activity. This is the hourly chart and daily chart of when you have the most active users and when is the best time to publish. For example, if you click on one of these blue bars, you will see the number of hours that are available per day. This simply will help you to know which day is the best to publish the most of your content. If we break this down into hourly chart, you will see that this is a time frame when you have majority of your followers active by every single day. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you easy and simple way that you can edit viral Instagram reel videos. Okay, you're gonna do it inside the Instagram. You're not gonna need any third-party software or app. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Now guys, let's create a brand new post. Click on the lower center of the screen, hit the plus sign. Now let's try to slide on the side from post to reels. In this example over here, guys, I'm going to use this image over here and we're going to create reels out of it. Okay, so the first thing I want you to pay very close attention is to the upper settings. So first of all, if you click on the first one, you will be able to download the actual reel in this particular setting before you edit anything. The second one is essentially if you want to add the music sounds are over here. You can essentially pick from what is currently trending and you can actually search by the title. So if I go back, there is a search bar on top. You can search for an artist or you can search for an actual title of a song. You can include voiceovers, you can import music over here from your device, right? So plenty of options over here, guys. The next thing is that if you want to create a particular filter on top of it, you can simply utilize some of these that will change the way how your content looks like. I'm not too hype about it. This is usually for people who are more creative and they don't have like a straightforward content. The next option is if you want to include a particular sticker. In our case, you can include functions like captions, you can include links, you can include some of this stuff, or you can simply come over here and look for whatever you want to upload. If there is like a birthday celebration or something, you can always do it. But remember, everything has to align with the overall idea, right? If the guy who is driving the car is having a birthday, right, you can put it over here, or you can put it over here. When you're finishing with the overall simple editing, we want to click next. Then guys, you want to create your metadata, meaning you need to create a title, which in our case will be simple Ferrari Monza test drive. Okay, then you want to come down over here. Probably a lot of you wonder why I didn't use hashtags. If you look at the most recent updates from the Instagram algorithm, the most viral post didn't carry any hashtags. And also pay attention to the promoted content on the platform. Even the promotion ads didn't have hashtags on their own post, so pay very close attention. The other people know something that you don't. Now I'm going to click on tag people. In our case, I'm going to add tag with the actual brand, which is a Ferrari, right? And then we're going to proceed to including audience. Our audience is everyone, simply because we want to generate more traffic. You can play with the topics. You can select a topic. For example, it could be cars, car enthusiasts, sports. It can be, transportation. Sports cars. Don't make it too niche down. Okay, 1, 2 categories I think will work the best. Next, you want to include the location. We are in Malibu in this particular picture, right? And I think that's basically all it, guys. Hit next and proceed with publishing, guys. This is how simple it is to edit your reels inside the Instagram app. You don't need CapCut, you don't need any complicated software. Everything is right over here, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can find the current trending songs on Instagram, so you can use some of them, you can sort through them, and you can essentially plan your future content based on the songs that are currently trending. Let's launch the Instagram app and let me show you where you're going to find all of them. In our example over here, first of all, we're going to create a small draft post by simply clicking on the lower center of the screen. We're going to pick a piece of content we want to upload. In our example, this is going to be. Then we're going to click next. Remember guys, this is a draft post, okay? So we're going to scroll to the bottom of the page and we're going to click add music. Remember, every time when you click add music, you will have the first option over here, which is everything that is currently popular, everything that is currently trending. All these songs are currently trending. As you can see, they're just 20 songs approximately, okay? Versus if you scroll on the side, you have the browse function, and here you have hundreds of thousands inside each of these folders that is broken down. So this is your goal number one, that you can come over here and simply find the current trending songs. The second step you could also do essentially is to go back, right? Come over here, click on the magnifying glass on the lower left, okay? Go on your original discovery page, and here you can essentially scroll through the actual popping up, right? Remember, all this, what is popping up is in some way, in some sense, related to your following people, related to your audience, to your content that you already subscribed to. But if I click on for example, but if I click on something like this, for example, as you can look at over here, right, we can extract the sounds from the actual videos, from the actual reels. And remember, this is not guaranteed. I'm telling you that the more guaranteed function will essentially be simply go to the list that is sorted and filtered by Instagram, because the information will be the same. Remember, the list of trending songs is built by Instagram simply by a number of people who are using the same songs and the number of views they're getting or the engagement they're getting using the song. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share Instagram Reels on your Facebook app. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram and let's take a look and try to find a reel that we want to share on our Facebook account. As I promised you guys, it will be very easy, just 2 clicks and you're done. So you want to scroll down and you want to look at the section that is under the actual video. Okay, you have the heart, you want to like it, you can comment it, and then you can click on the paper airplane. When you click on the paper airplane, you have this small menu underneath over here. You want to scroll down on the side until you find the option over here for Facebook. This is where you're going to click and you're going to share the Instagram Reels on Facebook. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.